My name is Kia Damone, but I'm widely known as Kia Cooks. I'm from Central Florida, and I have a really cooking family, but the funny thing is that my folks didn't allow me in the kitchen. They didn't really teach me to cook. So instead of learning how to cook, I learned how to eat. And I learned how to eat really well, and my late grandma taught me what it meant to have delicious food. Whenever I cook with fire, we all stand around the flame and we're just like, I feel something inside of my body. That's how we first started cooking. I mean, that is cooking, you know? When you put the flame to it and cook it, it just invokes an energy. And it's a collaborative thing. The fire's gonna do what it wants to do. You just do your best to feed it and give her some time, work with the elements, like give yourself over to it, and then the true collaborative effort happens, which is cooking incredible food. It was a nice family meal with the friends. Getting us from borough to borough, like that takes commitment, that takes dedication, that takes true friendship and trust, and something worth coming out for. I mean, telling my friends that I'm grilling for lunch and they should come by and I'm grilling some fish, like they're gonna pull up for the grilled fish. I love food. I love food, I love cooking, and I'm grateful for every opportunity that I can take to do it and to do it for the people that I love. I'm grateful. If I'm the head of the table, I do not take that position for granted.